I spent so much time trying to figure out how to get my Dell laptop to have Wi-Fi again, and I wanted to spare you the time waste. Let's get started. As you can see here, there is no Wi-Fi and the computer is in airplane mode. If I go and click network settings, it brings up the settings box. I looked around a while back when it was broken and it said the hardware switch was disabled. Here I'm at Wi-Fi from network. So I ignored it and tried all these software fixes, trying to use the terminal and whatnot. But the fixes didn't do anything because there's a hardware switch that was causing the problem. So here's me turning on the Wi-Fi. Here's the switch on the side of the laptop, turning the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and other signals off or on. Here's on. So the red, when the red's showing, that's off. I can't say if this will work on all Dell laptops, especially maybe not newer ones, but I hope it helps in your troubleshooting endeavors. And it also might work for non-Dell laptops.